I'm launching my very own Introduction to Quantum Computing course using Qiskit right here on YouTube. Designed for beginners who want to break into quantum computing with no prior knowledge required. What you'll cover in this course. The course covers the difference between classical and quantum computing, introduction to qubits, introduction to quantum gates, quantum circuits, the block sphere, quantum algorithms, and finishes off with a mini beginner level quantum computing project. Each lecture launches every Thursday with a homework assignment Jupyter notebook and presentation slides, giving students a holistic learning experience. So hit that subscribe button, follow me on LinkedIn and all my other social media platforms as well, and I'll see you in my next one.